G'day guys, just had this battery gadget come in. You have a look at that. Now I think this might be homebrew. It's made for a detector. It's got a, well, it's from a detector user, so but I nearly ran away when I took the lid off. There's no branding on it at all. Oops, there we go. There's no branding. It's just a box, like a camera type. Is it? I don't know. Something around. What does it say on there? Okay. 8.4 and 6.7 volts. Okay. I don't even like touching this because what lives in it? Here it comes. Four huge lithium polymer batteries. I hate lithium polymer batteries. They are one of the most volatile batteries you can have. Anything goes wrong with those, it'll blow up, burn your house down. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Lithium ion batteries are far more well behaved. These things, Jesus, look at that. Where the switches are down there, they're hard up on the batteries. I don't even know what's under there. And there's some cockeyed circuit board tacked in with some glue there. God. And another one tacked in there. Oh, dear me. This is a disaster waiting to happen if you want my opinion. What? Oh, that's a little audio board. It's got a transformer to stop detector hum getting into the audio. So, and it's built on Veriboard. So obviously it's homebrew of some sort. And this other little board there. I'm only guessing. I don't know what that is. It could be an audio amplifier of some sort. Looks like one of those boards you get off eBay. Well, I don't know. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's is it a battery charger? I don't know. Oh, hang on a second. I'm looking at it. It's got a crystal oscillator sitting in there. Hang on. This could be a Bluetooth transmitter tacked in there. I've got no information on this. It just came in. Someone dropped it off to my son, and he quickly palmed it to me because he doesn't want to touch it. It's got those horrible batteries in there. You know, these are the batteries that if you charge them, people put these in a special flame-proof bag. Have a look on YouTube for lithium polymer batteries, explosions and fires, and you will find them. They are out there. I don't like these batteries. These are things I would put in a big clay pot and put them outside, you know, undercover. I don't like these in the house. And yeah, but the construction of it, it's all icky-tacky. Yeah, what a doozy. So yeah, whoever's making this gadget, I don't know why you didn't use lithium ion batteries. Much safer, far more safer than lithium polymers. Yeah. Oh, dear me. What is that? That black thing there. Is it plug something into it? I don't know what that is. It goes, oh dear, hang on. I'm just looking at how this is wired up. Okay. Obviously that shielded cable, so that going there must be an audio amplifier of some description. I don't know. I'm just guessing what this is. I really don't know. It looks like it could be wired audio and wired audio in from the connector, which is for a SD GP type detector. I'm guessing. A lot of guesswork here, but yeah, I don't like that. You know, if this is going out in the goldfield and it's left out in the, out in the Pilbara sun, I'd be very, very worried about that. These batteries are just no-nos. It's quite interesting. The other day I was out at a place called Sparrow Ground, and there was sitting there, it was a, looked like a helicopter battery for a radio-controlled helicopter or a drone or something, and it had smaller cells than this, but it was blown open. It literally, it had exploded, and whoever had it just left it there. So, and that was these type of batteries. I just know these have got a horrible reputation for being unstable. You know, you puncture that battery, it'll go off like, flames will shoot out of it. It'll go off. They're not the best batteries. They're not safe to use. You have a look at a lot of the, detector manufacturers. Look at Minelab battery. It's, they don't use these. They put in lithium ion batteries. No, I use lithium ion batteries in all my stuff. So, to me, that's just plain dangerous. You wouldn't want to have that on your belt or something and, locked on and it decided to go up in flames. It'd burn your leg off. I really don't like them, as you can tell. Just my opinion. Other people may love them, but, you can have that love and you can also have the risks. But, yeah, be wary of anything like this, I don't like a sudden, imagine a sudden jolt or something in the batteries. I don't know how, are they glued in? I don't really even like touching this. They're stuck on with glue, but if it ever did come undone and the batteries moved forward and smacked into the back of those switches, you got pointy metal lugs on those switches, even though they're covered in some sort of glue. It's very hard glue, I don't know. It's possible that could even shatter off. I don't know what it is. It's very, very brittle by feel of it. It's hard. Well, let's find out what it is. I'll tap it. Yeah, it's very, very hard. I think it's epoxy resin. So, yeah, those switches have been epoxied in. There's a whole heap of hot melt glue, by the look of it, around the audio connector there. Audio power out or whatever it is. Yeah, or is that for charging the battery? I don't know. I'll do a bit of investigation. This thing, Jesus Christ. Yeah, you can tell I don't like it, can't you? I don't like it. But okay. It's very interesting. I'll tell you one thing I've noticed. But sitting there is a switch. 6.7, 8.4. Yeah. Is there a regulator in there somewhere? I don't know. I can't see a regulator. How the hell you switch the voltages? Like I say, I don't know anything about this. First time I've seen it. Okay, it's got a bit of blue tape there with off written on it. Okay, it's off. So, yeah. Turn off. B4 charging. Okay. Well, I don't intend to charge it here. No way known. I might just do it. Yeah. It's all a bit wobbly for my liking, you know. See, actually, when you think about it, this would wobble like that inside the case, you know. I suppose if you did enough time, the wires would break off. I don't know. I don't know. But, yeah, I'm just saying this stuff's out there. You got to be careful, you know, because you just don't know. I would not have that in my vehicle. And I would carry this around in a flame-proof, explosion-proof bag. There's actually people that make the bags for these type of batteries. You wouldn't have that bouncing around the back of your car. No way known. I can't stress that enough. It really sort of, you know, makes me worry that, you know, this sort of stuff is used in prospecting. Yeah, fine, put in a drone or something like that. You know, if it blows up, it's up in the air. You know, take it out and put it in a, you know, one of those bags, you know, explosion burn-proof bag. So, yeah, have a look. Go look it up on lithium polymer batteries going up in flames. There's plenty of videos on it. Yeah, even lithium ion to a degree. If you punctured a lithium ion, you know, it will fizz and carry on and generate, you know, a lot of smoke and carry on as well. But these things here, yeah, these are more volatile. You can go research it, look it all up, and make up your own mind. But I've seen these go up. I've seen lithium polymer batteries go up, and I've never seen a lithium ion battery go up. The only time I've seen those go up is in electric vehicles. So, but I'm sure they're not using these in electric vehicles, but you never know. I don't know, don't keep up with it. So that's just a little bit of a update on something I've seen. So I'm guessing it's home brew and they're not out there. But I don't know. No, I've got no idea on the history. You know, it's not commercial because it's got Veriboard in it. Veriboard's just done for, you know, experimenting and, you know, just tacking something together, you know, just to make a one off or a couple off or something like that. But, yeah. So keep a lookout for these things if they do pop up. Just check the battery technology inside the units. You know, you could have put, you know, the proper lithium ion type batteries in here. Well, not proper, but safer. I classify them as safer anyway. These things are unreal. If I actually own one, I'd show you outside what would happen if I put a screwdriver through the battery. I'd do it quick and run like hell because it'll go up. It'll definitely go up in a big, huge ball of flame and smoke, and yeah, sometimes, you know, jets out. Very intense. And if you got the other batteries next to it getting heated, well, there's 4 batteries there. The heat would probably make the other ones explode too, and it'd go off with a nice big fireball. Anyway, that's yeah, this thing. And yeah, I don't know. I don't even know if I want to touch it. It's just, you know, I don't know. It's uncharted waters. I just don't like it. But it is what it is. Catch us later, guys.